Resort, Alona in Panglao, Bohol. We are here in our room and let's see what's inside. So once you enter, as usual, to your left you have your closet. Our clothes are already here. To your right we have our toilet and bath. So let's go inside. So here we have our shower, our bathtub, our sink with our toilet amenities, a hair dryer, your toilet and bidet, emergency call, phone, and what's interesting about this room is that when you're in the bathtub, you can actually peek into the main room. Ta-da! Okay, let's keep that closed because we want our privacy. And let's go to the main room. So in the main room, you have your full-length mirror. Here is your bar with your complimentary water. And of course, your COVID amenities. You need that during the pandemic. Your water kettle for hot water. And then here you have your cups and glasses for your drinks. And I'm not sure whether we have, oh yes, we have a fridge. There's nothing in it. And then here you have your desk. So if you want to work here, you actually can. And we have a lot of mirrors here. We also have a sitting area. So there's a lot of space for you to just chill and chill. Do nothing. Do nothing. If you don't want to lie down, you can just sit around. And this room has two beds. It has one queen bed and one single bed. And this room also has a nice balcony. I think this is such a great feature. You can close it for some privacy, so you can even adjust these blinds to make sure you have just the right amount of light that you prefer. But in the morning, it's nice to let the sun in. So open this balcony. This is a garden view room, so you can actually have more spaces to chill here. If you just want to drink your morning coffee, you even have a rack to dry your clothes. If you just came from the pool or the beach, you can dry your stuff there. And then out here is a beautiful view of Henann Resort, Alona Beach's garden. And out there you can see the restaurant. And we can't wait to explore more of the grounds because there's a lot of facilities here that is waiting for us to enjoy.